Isa yan, isa cat dog. Isa yan, isa cat dog. What? Mine. Mine. Tigo. Get it? Get it from Mama kasi. So, wanna get it from Mama. Don't wanna get it from Mama. You know. Sige. Your turn. Sige, go play with it na. No? Wanna chase it lang? Sige. This is pathetic, you know that? You wanna go down and play catch? No. Sige lang. I'm lazy to get dressed eh. You stay here na lang? We'll stay here na lang, little girl? We will stay in the room? Hey, look at that stupid face. How'd that happen? We have to clean the bed. It's full of hair. Yuck. Tired na the little one. Hey, look, what's this? Hey, what's this? It's your ball, you moron. Yes! Why are you crawling? Your breath stinks! You have stupid bad breath. Yuck. Well, you play with it first. I'm gonna clean the bed, okay? I need to brush your hair off. Good girl.